Having the right construction tools and equipment is crucial for every work site and workpro. These tools ensure every work is done efficiently, safely, and with high-quality results. So buckle up, as we'll show you some construction tools and equipment that every worker should have. Starting off with the Hotspots HB1 wall climbing robot. It's a wholly new, innovative solution specifically designed for the construction industry. This versatile and advanced robot utilizes a combination of powerful vacuum suction and gripping mechanisms to scale vertical surfaces with ease. Equipped with intelligent sensors and navigation systems, the HB1 autonomously maps its surroundings. It efficiently plans routes, enabling it to access hard-to-reach areas for painting, inspections, maintenance, and construction tasks at heights. With its ability to navigate complex wall structures and avoid obstacles, the HB1 provides a safe and efficient solution for construction projects. It significantly reduces the risks associated with working at heights and enhances productivity in the construction industry. Here's the FCS FGP 950 Sleepers Drilling Machine. This lightweight and user-friendly construction tool is specifically designed to drill wooden sleepers efficiently. It ensures accuracy and maximum operator safety with its precise drilling capabilities. Plus, it features a reliable Kawasaki 2-stroke mixture engine and high-strength speed reducer gears lubricated with TK3 grease for superior performance and extended lifespan. The ergonomic handle with throttle lever and engine safety lock provides ease of use. Thanks to the quick uncoupling spindle, this tool allows you to change the drill bit easily. You'll also get some optional accessories such as drill bit protection, a drilling depth regulator, and a track gauge compatible trolley to provide additional versatility. It's a valuable construction companion, delivering precision, efficiency, and safety in wooden sleeper drilling operations. Next on the list is the SMFT1000 PV Tester and Performance Analyzer from Fluke. This advanced and versatile tool serves as an all-in-one solution for trade-specific tasks. It provides a comprehensive testing solution for photovoltaic systems and is designed to meet the rigorous standards of IEC 62446-1. With features such as open circuit voltage measurement up to 1000 volt DC and short circuit current measurement up to 20 ampere DC, it enables accurate evaluation of PV module string performance. The on-location IV curve results allow for easy comparison of measured data with manufacturer-provided IV curve data directly on the analyzer screen. The compatibility with Fluke TrueTest data management software enhances data organization and analysis for construction professionals. Construction pros never compromise on measuring accuracy. That's why Coprow designed this 363 Coprow meter. This tool offers a range of features for accurate and efficient measurements. Its beam finder flip cover provides enhanced visibility and protection for the keypad. And the best part of this tool is its 30-meter measuring range and high accuracy. This versatile device allows for measuring both area and volume, making it a valuable tool for calculating material quantities. And you'll get the desired readability in low-light conditions, thanks to its backlit LCD display. Plus, its impact-resistant rubber overmold build quality ensures needed protection from job site hazards. With a battery indicator, users can easily monitor the power status. The Coprow 363 Coprometer also offers the choice of 2 reference points and 5 measuring units, providing flexibility for different measurement scenarios. Meet Makita TD003G, an impressive impact driver with several notable features. With a maximum fastening torque of 210 Newton meters, this tool offers comparable power to the flagship TD001G, despite being more cost competitive. Its extended overall length enhances hammer performance, making it even more capable in heavy-duty operations. It also includes a convenient light mode, allowing users to activate the built-in light in different workshop situations. The light automatically turns off after 1 hour of use. This impact driver excels in continuous heavy-duty operations, delivering excellent performance. With its power, versatility, and thoughtful features, the Makita TD003G is a reliable and efficient tool for professionals needing an impact driver that can handle demanding tasks. Whiskers inclined elevators are the perfect solution for transporting tools and equipment up and down steep slopes. Whether your need to access a remote cabin, a construction site, or a scenic lookout, these inclined elevators can handle any terrain and any load. They are safe, reliable, and easy to operate. They are also environmentally friendly, using minimal energy and blending in with the natural surroundings. With Whiskers inclined elevators, you can enjoy the convenience and comfort of moving your tools without breaking a sweat. If you are looking for a fast, precise, and easy way to lay cement, sand, and concrete screeds, you should check out the Clappa Floormaster 130. This revolutionary machine uses laser control to automatically level the floor with a tolerance of 1 millimeter on 10 to 20 meters. It can also make slopes of up to 3 to 4%. The machine works with semi-dry material between 1 and 16 millimeters and can cover up to 100 square meters per hour. The machine has a redesigned head that allows you to work close to the wall and in 2 modes, 80 centimeters and 130 centimeters. It also eliminates common problems such as shrinkage cracks, cupping effect, and low strength. Moreover, this machine is easy to operate and maintain and comes with a remote control. The JASEN WBK paving trolley offers a reliable and efficient way to transport paving slabs. It's designed to clamp and carry heavy materials directly from the pallet to the desired location without needing a ramp. This paving trolley has a gripping width of 600 millimeters, a capacity of 200 kilograms, and a working height of 800 millimeters. It's made of durable steel and has a support wheel for easy handling on even ground. The JASEN WBK paving trolley is a great tool for any paving work, whether you're laying paving stones or curbs. It will help you save time and effort and improve the quality of your work. Now here's a powerful and versatile crimping tool. Meet the Fluke EK135FT, an amazing tool that can crimp cables from 10 to 630 square millimeters and boasts a large crimping range. It has a closed and rotatable head, an LED light for better visibility, and a 2-stage hydraulic system for fast and efficient operation. You can easily read all the tool data via Bluetooth thanks to the display and iPress app. The Fluke EK135FT hydraulic crimping tool is compatible with a 13 series and 15 series interchangeable crimping dies, which provide a wide crimp profile. You can choose between Bosch or Makita battery systems, which have long-lasting and fast-charging batteries. In short, the Fluke EK135FT hydraulic crimping tool is the perfect choice for professional and reliable crimping. To conclude this list of amazing construction tools, here we have the Hilti X001 exoskeleton. This passive exoskeleton supports the wearer without restricting their movement or requiring batteries. It weighs less than 2 kilograms and can help delay muscle fatigue during long periods of overhead work. The Hilti X001 exoskeleton is designed for various overhead installation tasks, such as air ducts, sprinklers, piping, cables, and plasterboard. It's also easy to wear, adjust, and clean. Overall, if you want to reduce the strain on your shoulders and arms when working overhead, you might want to check this one out. Okay, that was the list of the construction tools and equipment every worker should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.